Welcome back to AI Product Talk. This past week, OpenAI didn't just update a model, they shifted the entire paradigm of how we work. GPT-5.5 is officially here, but if you're still focusing on how much smarter the chat is, you're missing the forest for the trees. As product managers, the headline isn't better reasoning, it's autonomy. We've moved from the generation era into the action era, LEA. OpenAI is no longer just answering your questions, it's orchestrating your outcomes. This week's release of Workspace Agents means the model isn't just talking to you, it's talking to your Jira, your Slack, and your terminal. Let's talk about the sleeper hit of the April update, the memory upgrade. For a PM, this could be a game changer for unit economics. Traditionally, we spend thousands of tokens re-explaining context, PRD styles, and technical debt in every new chat. The new memory bank feature allows the model to maintain persistent cross-session awareness of your specific product architecture. From a PM perspective, this solves the cold start problem. It slashes your API latency and reduces context inflation. We aren't just buying tokens again and again. We're investing in a model that actually learns your business logic. That leads to a notable ROI on your tokens in 2026. This isn't just efficiency, it's structural competitive advantage. The biggest ecosystem push is the OpenAI Workspace Agents SDK. OpenAI is now providing a secure sandbox, a virtual environment where agents can execute code and browse internal tools without risking your entire infrastructure. Here is the PM takeaway. Your job description just changed. You are no longer a feature PM building buttons. You are a policy PM defining agent boundaries. You need to decide, what is the blast radius of your autonomous agent? How much control are you willing to delegate? The ecosystem is moving toward model context protocol. This standardization is what makes the action era possible. As a PM, you need to be the architect of the rules, not just the manager of the prompts. The strategic layer has moved up. So what action should you take in your project? First, audit your data. An agent is only as good as the context it can access. Second, control your agent output quality with guardrails and governance to ensure alignment with business goals. Third, stop measuring token usage and start measuring task completion to reflect your true ROI on token consumption. The roadmap for 2026 isn't about adding a chatbot to your UI. It's about building an agentic layer that owns business outcomes. I'm curious, are you more excited about the productivity gains or worried about the governance hurdles? I'm at AI Product Talk, and I'll see you in the next brief.